Following segment is sponsored by Oakdell Egg Farms.
Okay, Huevos Rancheros, breakfast for lunch.
Yeah, breakfast, lunch, and dinner all here today.
Isn't that the truth? I could eat these any time of the day. And of course, with delicious Oakdell eggs, everybody, no hormones, no antibiotics, cage-free, delicious brown eggs, rich in omega-3. These are truly amazing eggs. And I love the new packaging that they have. It has Grandma Zelma on there, and I know her, so it was kind of fun when I saw that. So what I'm doing starting off here is we're going to create basically the salsa to go on top of the Huevos Rancheros themselves. And so what I have here are some tomatoes that I'm chopping up along with some onions that I'm just slicing up. And I have a saute pan that I've added enough oil to so that it lightly coats the bottom of the pan. And what we're going to do is add this into it to saute and basically cook the tomatoes and the onions down. Now normally you could add in like a sliced up jalapeno if you like it really spicy. I'm going to use just some diced green chilies from the can to go into there because every once in a while, I don't know why, but sometimes I get a reaction to those jalapenos when they're cooking, and I don't want that on live television, guys. So just go ahead, we're gonna add in those tomatoes, we're gonna add in those onions, let those cook up, cook down, kind of saute in there, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. This is what's going to go onto the top of the Huevos Rancheros. Now I've already taken some oil here, fried up some corn tortillas, which will be the base of our Huevos Rancheros. And when we come back, I'll show you how to put together the fried eggs on it, because I'm going to do it south of the border style fried eggs. We used to do them that way in Brazil, and they do it that way in Mexico. So I can't wait to show you how to finish up this delicious idea.
All right. Thanks, Chef. Going up and down a little bit, but
Yep,
that's
a
where
little
we
bit of a
are.
roller coaster. Hey, let's head back into the kitchen and fingers crossed that it's runny eggs, Brian.
Well, then I won't cook it quite as long, Mary, for you. But these are the Oakdell omega-3 rich eggs, cage-free, no antibiotics, no hormones, and I'm adding them right into there. And what we would do in Brazil and south of the border is you just take some of that oil. This is quite a bit because I was frying the tortillas in it, but you're just going to spoon that over the top of that egg. And that really is a fried egg. That's what it is. And so just spoon that over, cook it until you get the desired doneness that you want. And this one here, I'll take out from Mary because she likes them nice and runny. So I'll let, this is a slotted spoon. I'll let some of that oil drain off there. And here are some of the fried eggs. And so that's just kind of a fun way to cook eggs. And they're very delicious. If you've never tried it that way, you should try them that way because they're really good that way. Now, I have some here. I have the fried tortilla with the Oakdell eggs on top that we fried over there. And now what we're going to do is just take some of the actual cooked tomato mixture, the onions, the relish, so to speak. I'm gonna spoon that over the top of that, and seriously, the smell, you guys, the aroma is amazing. This is why I say this can be served any time of the day for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner. I'm also going to serve it with a side of refried beans. These are just store-bought refried beans that I have heated up all the way through there. Delicious way to do it. I'm going to take some queso fresco with that rolled R there. I have kind of a studio audience today, and they're all laughing at me behind the scenes because of my rolled R's over there. I'm going to sprinkle some of that queso fresco over there, over some of the refried beans as well. I have some cilantro that I'm going to chop up and add on to the top of that as a little sprinkle. And I always like to top mine off with a little bit of avocado slices, and so I have an avocado here. I'm just going to scoop out a slice of avocado to finish that off right on top, and voila, everybody, which is French, not Spanish, but there we have it. Delicious Huevos Rancheros. You can go right over to cookingwithchefbryan.com, everybody, or to KUTV.com. Grab this wonderful idea. Grab you some Oakdell eggs at the grocery store. Cage-free, no hormones, no antibiotics, rich in omega-3s. They are an excellent choice for a healthy lifestyle. Guys?
Well, I got pretty close to that last night. I had avocado toast.
Ooh, that's good too.
Yeah.
Okay, I was going to say Ron Bird.
Ron Bird. Actually, it's avocado.
Okay.